Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So in Google Chrome on Windows, if you change your default browser or if the default browser is changed, Chrome has relied on an info bar inside the browser to ask you if you want to set it as the default. Now it seems that Google is testing a new method, and this is according to a post by Windows Report, which I'll leave linked in the description, where Google is testing a native Windows 11 notification to alert you when Chrome loses default browser status, which goes beyond the info bar and brings the prompt directly into Windows and not just the browser. Now, this is just a little screen grab taken from the post. And during the test, according to the post, Windows 11 delivered a toast with this message: your default browser has changed. Chrome is no longer your default browser. Make Chrome your default browser. And this is using Windows notifications, not the info bar that you currently get in the actual Chrome browser. So this is a native Windows notification telling you that your browser status, as in the default browser, has changed. So it's delivered through the Windows notification system, not inside Chrome, which I actually think is a nice move. Now, a reason why this is actually a step in the right direction is because default browser settings can often change after things like installing apps or system changes or resets. And a lot of your average users, your average home users, only notice later when, as an example, clicking on a link will open it up in a different and another browser, not your default browser, and you didn't see the notification. Maybe you haven't opened up your browser in a while, and that's where this comes in. This will actually be part of the Windows notifications from the notification center in the system tray. So basically the difference is that Chrome will detect when you change the default browser, and then will respond with a Windows notification that offers a quick option to set Chrome as the default again. And Google is currently testing this behavior in Chrome Canary, which is an early preview version of the browser, so not available as yet in stable. And I personally hope this does come to the stable version, because I actually think having a native Windows notification telling you that your default browser status has changed with those different options, I definitely think that is a move in the right direction. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.